Gorgeous day today. Had a chilly start to the morning, but quickly warmed up. That chilly and more humid weather this morning did lead to some pretty widespread and dense fog. Could see that again tomorrow morning. The difference, though, is that we're not going to have the clear skies overnight and early tomorrow as we did this morning. Clear now, yes, but there are some clouds to our north, and they will be moving south during the night. Now, at the same time, could start to see some of that fog developing at the surface, but we are likely going to be under more cloudy skies throughout the day tomorrow, as well as maybe later in the day a few stray showers well ahead of a cold front that moves through for the weekend. 73 degrees was our high today, above the normal. A chilly morning, as I said, 40s generally on both sides of the lake, a few upper 30s farther north. Not going to be that chilly tomorrow. Steadily our morning lows as well as the afternoon highs have been on the rise. At the moment, beautiful looking out over downtown, 69-degree temperature. Dew points have also been on the rise. That humidity is coming back thanks to now winds off of the Gulf, and kind of breezy during the day today. They've been gusting over 20 miles an hour. Upper 60s and low 70s on the map, and dew points 40s and low 50s. Those dew point values have been on the rise and will continue to increase until a front moves through early on Friday. The front is not really going to bring our temperatures down, but it will help to drop the humidity once again for this coming weekend. Bit of a breeze outside at the moment, though winds will settle, and we'll likely start the morning with lighter winds, but quickly starting to see those winds increase by midday and throughout the afternoon, at times maybe gusting to almost 30 miles an hour. So a pretty breezy day on tap for tomorrow. Here comes the upper ridge. Now notice what's already starting to happen to fairly well-defined ridge that was out to our west. It's starting to flatten out. There's a little upper system that is to the north, which is helping to kind of flatten that. That little feature is also going to help to push the cloudiness that's to our north farther south as well, which is why even as temperatures are likely going to be a few degrees warmer tomorrow, we are not expecting the upper 70s and 80s that they've had in Texas moving our way. So probably more mid 70s for a high, as this ridge will be weakening, but it'll keep us on the warm side during the day tomorrow. Then we've got that front moving on through. That'll bring with it some cooler temperatures in the mornings for Saturday and Sunday, but afternoon highs this weekend still in the 70s. The core of the cold stays well to our north. Here's where our ups and downs of the temperatures come in. Early next week, another building ridge. This one, though, will likely lead to eventually high temperatures nearing 80 degrees, probably by Wednesday of next week. Then, kind of in the long range, another upper trough moves on through, and this one looks like it brings in some pretty chilly temperatures as we head toward the end of next week and the following weekend, which would be the start of March. So not done with the colder air just yet, but we are starting to get kind of in the transitional period where they're going to be fewer and far between, and eventually the colder air starts staying well to our north. So the up and down of our temperatures, again, not dramatically so for our afternoon highs. You'll feel it a little bit cooler by Saturday and Sunday morning, but temperatures will be staying in the 70s. Then we probably peak on Wednesday to 80 degrees, and notice our line here. Temperatures likely drop off quite a bit as we head toward the end of next week. Right now, the cloud cover is well to our north. That will start sinking southward as we eventually will see that upper disturbance develop a cold front. That's what's going to bring in maybe a chance for a few isolated showers well out ahead of that boundary during the day on Thursday. And really all the front is going to do is help to lower the humidity. After the humidity, the muggies have been kind of setting themselves up and increasing over the next couple of days. They will be dropping during the day on Friday. So that kind of begins a very pleasant weekend ahead with warm temperatures, high pressure moving in, so ample sunshine. Morning lows this weekend, 40s and 50s, and daytime highs in the 70s. Very spring-like, very pleasant as we continue on through the next several days. Tomorrow, though, will bring with it more cloudiness, again, possibility of some morning fog. Friday morning we'll already be getting into the drier air, so I don't think fog is going to be as much of a concern, and won't be a concern for the weekend with the lower humidity. Could then become an issue as we head into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday morning, with high temperatures eventually getting to 80 degrees next week.